Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Mem AI. So let's get started. Mem AI in 2025 is like having a personal assistant for your note. It automatically organizes everything you write, tagging, linking, and sorting your note, so you don't have to just speak or type naturally. And the AI will create a summary, the highlight key point, and even join your meetings to take note for you. While it takes some time to learn all its smart features, it's perfect for busy people who want their notes to organize themselves. The app works across all your devices, but you need to pay plan after the 14 days free trial since there's no free version. So what makes AI special is how it remembers everything for you. It can find any note instantly where you ask it paid English, remind you of important information at the right time, and turn your MEMS thought into a clear outline. It's great for professional students and teams who deal with a lot of information, while the app like Notion are better for database and Evernote is simpler for base note. MEM AI is the best choice if you want AI to do most of your organizing work for you. So the AI the only downside is the need internet for use to use the smart features, and that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this Mem AI platform. Thanks.